Now, about 1 in 59 children are identified as autistic. And that is according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention.
As autism rates continue to climb nationwide, one Valley mom is educating educators about the disorder. Channel 5's Taylor Winkle reports.
Some parents of children with autism tell us many teachers don't know exactly how to help these kids. A teacher we spoke with agrees she hopes a free seminar will make the classroom safer for everyone. Selena Ortiz is an assistant principal for IDEA Public Schools. Before that, she was a teacher. She says special education training for teachers meant to instruct general education classes is not readily available.
I didn't know how important it was because I had never experienced it firsthand. I couldn't tell you what autism looked like or what to look for or what a special needs student required.
That is until 2 of her kids were diagnosed with autism.
It was really difficult to cope with the diagnosis. I had started teaching, it was my first year, and so even getting acclimated to my new job, it was also at the same time learning how to kind of drive this area of my son's.
Ortiz is one of 100 other public school employees attending a free training on how to best help these students tomorrow.
The CDC says 1 in 59 now children have autism. That means that 1 in 59 moms, dads, families or more, if they have multiples, have the same, similar stories.
Dr. Lisa Pena helped coordinate the class. We introduced you to her and her daughter Isla in June of 2017. Isla's autistic, and the Penas had to move multiple times, struggling to get her the right school environment so she could learn. Pena wants to bring more applied behavioral analysis, or ABA therapy, into the classrooms for other kids like her daughter. Science shows ABA is the best form of education and treatment for people with autism. Still, many teachers don't know about it.
I mean, you're talking teacher of the years that don't know what to do with an inclusion student. There's got to be something missing if your best teacher of your school is asking for help. That is 100% affecting the learning in the classroom.
U.S. federal law says public schools must educate all children, even those with a disability. But they don't spell out exactly what school districts must provide. The goal is to get all kids into the same classroom.
I think for both sides it's really hard because it's all about educating and providing that knowledge to people that don't understand it and have never had it firsthand.
Pena partnered with the Shape of Behavior, a dedicated ABA health center that designs therapy programs personalized to each child. We told you about them in our Heart of the Valley special.
This particular year is a pilot year, so I don't know what will happen after this year. I am hoping that this is the start of something that is very much needed.
Saturday, 4 Shape of Behavior therapists are donating their time to teach our Valley teachers.
It's only going to bridge that gap for our special ed students that get to finally transition into that general ed classroom.
Ortiz will be at that training and hopes she can bring the tools she learns back to school with her this year. That class is tomorrow. Registration for it filled up in less than 48 hours. Dr. Pena says if this training goes well, they hope to find a way to fund it and make it permanent. Reporting in the studio, Taylor Winkle, Channel 5 News at 10.